How to log out someone out of Instagram. If you have any suspicion that someone is getting access to your Instagram account, this video is for you. Make sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Instagram app, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile icon and click on it. This will drop you to an interface like this. Proceed to navigate to the top right corner where you see these 3 ellipses and click on it. You automatically land on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Proceed to click on Account Center. Then with this selected, among the list of options here, continue to click on Password and Security. Then under Security Checks, you have the option to select where you are logged in, Logins Alert, Recent Emails, and Security Checkup. In this case, we're going to click on where you are logged in. Then make sure to select the account that best represents you. In this case, it's TechHow-to. Then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. So these are the devices that is currently signed in on my Instagram. If you have any suspicion of any device that you are not familiar with, you can proceed to click on it. Then you can continue to click on Logged Out. That's it. You have successfully logged someone out of Instagram. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.